Assalamu alaikum viewer. We are looking for numerical solution of system of equation and graph. First you subscribe this channel to get all of video as you need. This one is the problem. Approximate the solution of the equation. This equation, we need the solution of this equation, numeric or solution. Here we use the extra one is n, and the solve command, n the bracket solve again bracket x4 minus this, and here we simply put double equal in case when we are in mathematica. Then click shift enter, you get the numerical result of the for different values. Here this one is iota and this is over z. Same as if you people want firstly exact solution, after exact solution you need numerical solution, then we use the formula, not this formula. Now we use the formula solve 1 minus x square double equal x cube, and this one is the x we solve here, the x double backslash and n. This it mean the problem is solved firstly exact and then numerically there is the solution. The first solution is the exact and second one is the numeric solution. Over this, in this example you people can watch the example is the fifth order polynomial, and this equation is here we need the approximate solution. How we solve the first we find the root of this equation. To find the root of the equation we use the n roots of this, then we get their roots, that is the x equal to this one and the next one is this, and they all are its roots. The difference are the roots of this equation. To approximate this we use here you people watch, the sign is two lines here. The two lines show that the or, it means the value of x is this or this or this or this or this. Next one is when we solve there are the root of this equation, but now we want to, if we are going to solve, then we write n solve and write this one and we get their result. Now this one, how we plot this one, the over problem. To plot this one, just write plot and they put this in the bracket, but when we are plotting, then we use the plotting value, that is -3 to 2. It is not necessary, you can fix as you wish for initial and the final value. Same as we want to find the root of this equation, and between these 2 points x is -2.5, find the root. Then for this one x is this. If we approximate the solution near to this one and the result is this and the root is this, near -1 the root is this. Here you people can watch, this one is over function. Let's suppose f of z equal to z5 and this is a complex function. We want to contour plot, then we write the contour plot, the bracket absolute value and f of x plus iy and x minus 2 into 2 and this one, and the contour shading and false and controls. We get this result.